Union Bank of India Q3 FY26 results, steady earnings and improved balance sheet trends. Union Bank of India witnessed a measured market response following its Q3 FY26 earnings, with sentiment shaped by the bank's steady operational performance and improving balance sheet indicators rather than any sharp quarterly surprise. During the quarter, the bank delivered year-on-year improvement in profitability, supported by stable net interest income and better operating efficiency. Core banking income remained the primary driver, reflecting consistent lending activity and disciplined pricing. Net interest margins held steady despite a competitive environment, aided by controlled funding costs and a balanced mix of retail, MSME, and corporate advances. Operating income benefited from both interest income and ancillary fee-based streams. Asset quality showed further improvement, with stressed asset levels continuing to trend lower on a sequential basis. Reduced slippages and sustained recovery efforts helped keep credit costs under control, strengthening overall earnings quality. For the 9-month period of FY26, Union Bank maintained positive momentum, with cumulative profitability showing improvement over the previous year. This indicates consistency in execution and risk management across multiple quarters. From a business perspective, the bank has been selectively growing its loan book while prioritizing asset quality and capital efficiency. Retail and MSME segments remained key focus areas, contributing to diversified growth and risk mitigation. Within the PSU banking space, Union Bank's performance aligns with the broader trend of gradual recovery and stabilization. Improved underwriting standards and better recovery mechanisms across the sector continue to support balance sheet repair. Key risks to watch include margin pressure from deposit repricing, potential sector-specific stress, and competitive intensity in loan growth. However, improving asset quality provides a cushion against near-term volatility. Looking ahead, investors will track trends in loan growth, deposit mobilization, margin sustainability, and further reduction in stressed assets. Capital adequacy and operating efficiency will also remain important variables. The investor takeaway is that Union Bank of India's Q3 FY26 results highlight steady progress in profitability and asset quality, reinforcing the bank's gradual improvement trajectory, with consistency and execution remaining the critical factors in the coming quarters.